Hey, did you know that as our bodies start to shut down at end of life, not all of our senses fade at the same time? Hi, I'm Ashley Johnson, an end of life doula and the creator of Table Talk and End of Life Conversational Card Deck. Typically, vision, taste, smell, touch begin to diminish as one approaches their final stages of life. Research suggests that hearing may actually be the last sense to go, meaning that a person can neurologically respond to sound even in an unresponsive state. While we don't know what a person understands at this stage, continued communication is thought to provide that comfort and connection. I share this to say, whether near or far, your presence, your voice matters in those final moments. If you found this useful, please feel free to share.